you found some essential truths on that stage. Absolutely. Clearly, it's about Vietnam. He suffers from suburban existential
Look, I think it's about whatever you want it to be about.
Richard, we love the play.
Thank you. You understand it, huh?
Perfectly.
I'll talk to you later. Yeah. All right. What do you think, huh? What?
You aced it, brother.
You aced it. This is, I'm sorry, I don't know your name. Pam? Shelley, my girlfriend? How are you? I'm Richard. I'm Richard, and I'm thirsty, so we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Oh, boy, look at all these people. Hi, man. Oh.
Kudos. That was a fine play, really. Absolutely.
I'm afraid I don't know,
Mike Neal, the Chicago Alternative.
Hey, Shelley, I gotta go talk to this guy. What is happening?
For you, from all of us.
Hey, Shelley, oh, thank you, Shelley. Look at this. Wait a minute. Hey, now what happened here? Did everybody sign this?
Oh, yeah. Everybody signed.
Thank you. You guys too. Where'd you sign it?
I signed it inside.
Good. I got some news. There was an agent in the house tonight, and he says he thinks this play might be good enough for Broadway. Fingers crossed. I don't know. Come on, let's all have some cake. Penelope. Great. Okay. Then we can sell. Now look, I think the thing that we ought to do here is not everybody get a piece. Here you go. Let me trade you that. We got more coming around. I think we shouldn't cut the mask. You know, we save those for later.
No, those faces are nice. Just leave them like that. Cut them next time.
Come back to me. Was she?
I never saw her in my life.
What did she give you?